everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to do just a flat twist style, a quick and easy style that you can do like just quickly whenever you have somewhere to go. I ended up doing this, I had an interview to go to, so I recorded a video for you guys, and it's not the best flat twist look I've ever done. But practice makes perfect, and I hope that you guys can follow along and learn if this is something you don't know how to do or something you do know how to do and you just enjoy watching me. That would be great as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I don't really know what was happening with my camera, but I was spraying my hair. Just like, I love to make sure that my scalp itself is drenched. Like, I'm not that much worried about the ends of my hair, more so the scalp when it comes to getting wet. And this is just like something I do on the daily with my natural hair. It's just easy. It's like a go-to style, protective style. I wish that I did it in a way that would make it last longer and I wouldn't have to redo it daily, but I don't. So my hair is pretty wet. So then I'm taking my Shea Moisture Red Palm oil and cocoa butter leave-in or rinse out conditioner. This is a pretty good conditioner. I really just sat here trying to get that to like focus. I need to work more with my camera and learn this. So I'm just lathering this into my hair. Make sure I get it on the ends. I feel like I need to comb my hair out today, so let me grab a detangling brush. Like, I need to brush it out because I'm getting a lot of shedding on my hands, and that means something ain't right. So I have my Denman brush. I think that's what it's called, Denman, whatever. I'd never seen these brushes until I went natural, and then I started like looking around for, you know, the things women were using. So I'm just putting this conditioner in my hair still, and there's spots all on my shirt. So this is some coconut. Lord. This ain't no damn coconut nothing. This is some shea butter. I've been putting shea butter in my hair a lot. It really helps to keep it nice and moisturized. But before I do that, I'm gonna oil my scalp. So I'm gonna use so before I even do that, I'm going to oil my scalp. I'm putting some castor oil into here. What's already in here is some olive oil and avocado oil and peppermint oil, which is what I've been putting on my scalp lately. And I'm just gonna oil my scalp. I'm just gonna like slightly break my hair off into sections and just start putting that in there.
And then on to the next section, so I'm just gonna like, I don't think you can see my face, but I'm just gonna take it and oil it down in here, make it in there.
I mean, I've been trying to do this as often as possible. At first I was doing this like every morning and every night, because realistically, like, natural hair is so dry that like you actually have to water it every day and nurture it every day, like, or it's just gonna like crunch up on you. So I'm putting some back here. All of this area is like not wet. I need that to be wet. Alright, there we go. And I like to wet my scalp first because like when you wet your scalp and then put oil in your scalp, I just think that's like making sure the oil goes into your scalp. Because when you just put it on a dry scalp and rub it around, I feel like you could just be breaking your hair. But, you know, that's just what I think. I could be wrong, honey. I got hair struggles of my own. I'm not perfect. So, I'm here making these videos because I'm not perfect. And no one is. And I just want to relate to people. And I want, you know, people to share their tips with me. And I can share your tips just to learn. Okay, so now I put some oil on my hair. This is my little oil thing that I put on my ends. So I have a bunch of different like concoctions that I use daily. And the thing about natural hair products is it honestly does get expensive. So watch out for that. But I just think as long as you're doing protective styles and just like oiling in styles that are already like set, maybe that'll help. I don't know. But now I'm taking the shea butter and working all of that just into my ends and up in here on this hair that's fragile that I have.
This girl here so bomb. Met her at the salon. Trying to kick it like Solange. This elevator go up. You a shaky bitch and you stop. That ass bounce shot tip.
So now I'm just gonna like section it off and just start brushing it out because it just seemed as if it needed a good brushing. And I'm just brushing it out, and you can see. Alright, and so that's nice and brushed out. Damn it, I don't know what I'm doing or what I'm grabbing. So now this section, just gonna brush it out as well, starting at the ends and working my way up. I think that there's people out there who still, not people out there, let me not just be like that, but it's important to start at the ends of your hair when combing it and brushing it for us kind of women with our type of hair, because it breaks so deep. Alright, so my hair is nice and moisturized and it's brushed out. Now we're gonna go ahead and start the twist. So honestly, every time I do this, like, I can easily end up struggling, but I'm sure there are people out there that know how to do it better than me, honey. But like, we gonna fix it however we can. I like to just like brush my sides first and just brush them. I just like to brush them down, even though like they're not necessarily gonna stay that way. And then I'm pulling a piece of hair and I'm gonna make sure I get like all the way up to the front of my head right here, because that happens when I brush it, so it's kind of dumb that I brush it probably. And then I'm just gonna start to twist this. I give it like a good 2 twists on its own, and then I start to pull hair. So I mean, you know how to like flat twist, you know how you like flat twist, and you just pull hairs and keep going, just like when you corn rolling. So I'm just gonna do that. I like to pull from the all around the perimeter first. Oh my god, there's so much oil on my face. Jesus, I overdid it. But so yeah, I'm like getting all of the hairs that are right here first. Okay, hold on, that's not even right. Sometimes I do it and like the damn pieces of hair, like when I'm twisting it and I'm picking up a piece, sometimes I'm picking up a piece of hair to add to a piece of the twist, and I'd be like adding it to the wrong twist part. I'm sure y'all know what I mean, but like it's so annoying. I don't know how to like get better. Maybe the more I practice.
That's what I was always told. Like people in my family, they know how to braid and stuff real good. They just be like, oh, just keep practicing, practice. I've actually been doing this since I've become natural and my hair has been long enough to do this, so I've been practicing.
But yeah, so. But I'm just gonna keep it going all around my head, only on this side. And I'll get to the back soon. Alright. And then over here, I'm gonna pull this hair. Ow. I don't want to do too much. Alright, what happened to my music?
You feel so good today. I can hear the ocean.
I'm just continuing my process. Continuing my process. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the same to this side. I definitely overdid all of the oiling on this side. Like my whole face. I don't know what this is on my neck. I really don't know what the fuck that is. The hell that is. Excuse me. I don't need to be cursing. I don't need to be cursing. Maya Angelou said words are... Maya Angelou said something really powerful about words. I'm horrible. I'm gonna find that quote and I'm gonna put it on here. That's what I should do, because she said something very important and I read it one day and I was like, why am I saying curse words? Like what? Okay. So I'm just spraying this side. I'm really gonna invest in a better spray bottle because this is really annoying, and I've been seeing people with like this one they've ordered on Amazon that's just like I need that because I ain't got no business pressing down this little thing like that trying to get some damn water out onto my hair. It's really tiring. That's probably why I get lazy. So back with the leave-in moisturizer, the Shea Moisture stuff. But I definitely overdid it over here with the what's it called? The oils and my moisturizers. And now, oh, I have to oil my scalp. I forgot. Alright. There's less hair over here. So this is pretty much over. Like, I'm pretty much done now. It's really easy to oil it over here too, because it's like no hair that I'm even touching or dealing with. Ooh, honey child, it's not doing good over here. I'm gonna bobby pin this area because I feel it like trying to come up because my hair is shorter right here, so just gonna bobby pin that down. Alright, and my hair is nice and secured. My scalp, and then some oil on my ends again, and some shea butter. I'm using much less this time around. I really did the most, but I mean, the more moisturized like your hair is, the more manageable it is. So, and then I'm gonna just part it and brush. really skilled. When you do this, when you do one twist is coming towards the face, then the other side is going to be going away from the face. That is at least what always happens to me, because I don't have the skill set necessarily to like effectively twist it the other way. Just like braiding, you know how you braid and you're like either a natural overhanded braider or underhanded braider. Yeah, so this side is going to be going away from the face. So it's just going to look different. I don't know if like everyone notices. I do, so. But I just twisted it once. And now I'm just going to pull hairs as best I can and just flat twist until I get to the bottom. So this is the overall look. I don't know why my camera, I'm gonna take off my glasses. So this is the overall look, if you can see. And it's just twisted about, I don't know what's on my neck, but this is the overall look. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna turn around. So I know earlier I said I wanted to add the quote of Maya Angelou, and I'm going to read it off my phone instead of, maybe I should insert it. I'm going to read it as well, and maybe I will have it inserted. So this is the quote of the day. Words are things. You must be careful. Careful about calling people out of their names. Using racial pejoratives, and sexual pejoratives, and all that ignorance. Don't do that. Someday we'll be able to measure the power of words. I think they are things. They get on the walls. They get in your wallpaper. They get in your rugs and your upholstery and your clothes, and finally into you. So I hope that makes someone out there stop cursing like I'm finna stop doing, because it's not right. Words are in the wallpaper around me. Words are in my clothes, and these words I speak are in me. Thank you guys for watching. Please come back for more content. And please like, please comment. Tell me about your natural hair routines. Tell me about your twist outs. Tell me about, I keep saying twist outs. Tell me about your flat twist styles. Tell me about your twist outs. If you do twist outs, just comment please and come back for more content. Thank you. Bye.